Well, this brutal cold continues here today, but it is going to be lessening as we head into the upcoming weekend. In fact, a pretty dramatic warm-up in place in the Midwest over the course of that 2 to 3 day time period. This cold air is leading to some heavy lake effect snow, and we do expect that bigger storm system to impact California, especially with some heavy rain and some high elevation snow. Today and tonight, we're going to have a clipper rolling through the southern Great Lakes region, but the lake effect snow continues, and it will be quite heavy. In fact, the Tug Hill Plateau could have up to nearly 3 feet of snow by the time this is all said and done. Buffalo, you've had some pretty impressive snow over the last couple of days as well, but it will start to wind down as this warmer air builds back in. But a number of witch weather headlines continuing across the Great Lakes region. The bigger story really is the extreme cold. Again, life-threatening cold. We have had a few fatalities around the region because of how cold it has been, but wind chill warning stretching from the northern New England states all the way to the Midwest. And today it'll feel more like the teens and 20s below zero in the Northeast. Tomorrow not as cold, but still very chilly. And then the extreme cold begins to lift north as we head into the upcoming weekend, which will allow temperatures in the Midwest to warm dramatically, as I mentioned. But this morning, wind chill warnings, it'll feel more like the 20s, 30s, 40s, even close to 60 below in some spots near the head of the lake in Duluth. Daytime high still sub-zero, even for Chicago and Milwaukee. Chicago rather, had its 10th coldest high temperature ever recorded there as they topped out at only 10 below. Looking at, of course, temperatures running well below average. Tomorrow morning, still quite cold, teens below zero to the far north. But look at that, we actually get above zero for the first time in several days across the region on Friday. Out west, we have another storm system building in with some pretty decent rainfall tallies. Could see several inches and maybe even some 1 to 2 foot snowfall tallies in the Sierra Nevada range.